Hello and welcome to this month's video. In this video I'm going to show you the colour picker tool. It's a great tool that helps you choose the exact colour code for any part on your page. So I have just opened up a blank Facebook post page and I want to change the background colour. So I can select the background colour option here and then I click on the black cross. And at the bottom of this box, I have the colour picker tool. This now allows me to select any colour at all that is on the page I'm on. So for example, I've got some lovely coloured lines around here. I've selected the green and it's changed the background of the colour for me. This also works with photos. So I've just selected this very funky pink Halloween photo here. And I want to change the background to a pink to match the photo. So I've selected my background, select my box, select the cross, choose the colour picker tool, and then hover over any part. You can see it magnifies it so you get a really good feel for the colour that you're choosing. Select any colour within the image and it will change the background for you. So there you go, just a lovely little colour picker tool that allows you to pick any colour that you would like from your images or from the page that you are on in your Canva design.